Ever wrapped up a phone call and realize you still need to jot down on important notes, send them to your team, and maybe update the CRM? That's 3 different tasks for one call. Multiply that by 5 or 10 calls a day, and you are swamped. Today, we are showing you a workflow that changes all that. Here's how it goes: a call is recorded on a call recorder app or VoIP app, or if you are using an iPhone, the new call recording feature of iOS 18 is a wonder. We'll be using that recording, share it on a Telegram channel linked over N10, and through that, an AI agent automatically transcribes the call, summarizes key points, and drops the summary into our CRM. Plus, any action items into our CRM which will be needed is sorted perfectly well. Picture finishing a call and checking out a message in Telegram while your CRM is updated behind the scenes. No relisting, no rewriting your notes by hand, no emailing them around. Everything is there the second you hang up. It's all in one smooth workflow. Stick around if you are done. With the stress of post call chaos, we'll show you how to wire it all up using N10 and a call transcription API. Because the fewer steps you have to do manually, the more time you have to focus on actually closing deals or following up with the leads. The starting point of our workflow will be Telegram node. We'll select Telegram as trigger, and it should get triggered or start this workflow on receiving a message. Now, if you haven't added your Telegram account yet, and if you want to know how to connect your Telegram channel or a new channel just dedicated for N10, you can follow one of my previous videos on YouTube, and in which I have explained in depth how to use Telegram, connect Telegram with N10, and use Telegram to get audio transcribed, right? So I'll just copy paste the series of nodes from that workflow into this. There we go. I know those are lots of nodes. Let me quickly skim through what each node does or how it functions. So the first node will be the trigger node, which will detect any posts on the channel which were connected or any message that has been received. This will make sure that we have some few variables which holds the value. So we will be also adding the company name or the caption as they Telegram call it, and chat ID is the most important thing, and also the file ID, right? So as soon as the Telegram gets done with uploading file on its server, it will share us the file ID along with all the other details like chat ID and company name, which we write when we upload the voice file. Next, we will check if it is a text message or a voice file, right? So if it is a text message and if it is empty, that means it's not a text output, right? Or it's not a text being shared, it's something else that is being shared. So we'll move ahead and we'll check if the file is properly uploaded. We'll give it a few seconds so Telegram can prepare itself, and then we will download the file into our N10. So this is the node which downloads it. We can use get operation, which means the same thing as download. Resource will be a file. Connect the same account again and provided the file ID which we just received from the first node. Once that is done, we have our file on N10. Now we can do whatever we want with it. So what we will do, we will use Assembly AI. Assembly AI is a really good tool to transcribe audio, and we'll just provide it a few more details. And lastly, we provide binary file or the audio file in body in data with the data key. Again, we'll wait a few seconds. I have added a wait period of 3.5 minutes, which is fair enough, which is really good time to get the transcription done. And once it is done, we will check if Assembly AI has the transcription ready. If it is a get method. We'll provide the ID of to Assembly AI, which Assembly AI gave us just 2 nodes back, right? And once that is done, we will be receiving the transcription. Now this transcription will not be just one liner or something. It will be in a proper format. I'll show you how the execution works. In the end, you will get much better idea. So to give you a brief idea now, the transcription will look like speaker A said hi, speaker B said hi, I'm good, and so on, right? So it won't be very in a straightforward in just one line. It will be segregated. So what we'll do, we will use code. I'll provide this code to you in the documentation, and this code will basically make sure that we get properly formatted transcription of the conversation of the call, right? So this is the entire workflow. We have received the audio file or the call recording from on Telegram, along with the name of the company or the person we talked to, and from there we have prepared our transcription. Now the next step would be to upload it on our CRM, right? So we will be copying the nodes of our previous workflow where we discussed in depth how to upload or how to add data on our 20 CRM from Zoom call or Google Meet, right? And we'll be doing the same process again here in for Telegram. So let me copy those nodes here quickly. And there we go. We have our AI agent, which will be the first node and which will basically summarize, right? So we have the transcription ready. We will summarize it using AI agent, and we have provided the chat model OpenAI. Now, next step would be to prepare the variables which we will need for to enter data in CRM. This is the same as the one we did in the last workflow. We have summary and we have chat GPT output, and we also have company name from earlier node, right? So finally, we will call the company data, which again we did in the last video. You can see that video to understand in depth why we are doing this. Basically, this node is fetching all the companies that we have in our CRM. Code node will filter out the companies and will select the company which matches the name we have provided in the audio with the audio file on Telegram, right? So doesn't have to match completely. For example, in the last video, I was working with a
So
company called
workflow has
Dazzle,
finished execution.
and
Now
even
let's
if we
see
provide
how
just
each and every
Dazzle
node work.
in the
So
name,
we received
this
the
code
file
will be able to
from
analyze
Telegram
the
on this node,
company
and it was
and
called with
will be able
Akhil.
to
You can
share
use
the
this
data
name,
forward.
file name,
So
and
if you do not know
with that
the
this name you
exact
can search
spelling,
companies
how to
in
write the
CRM,
exact
20 CRM,
company name,
or you can
you did not worry,
maybe
just like
add
write a few
extra caption
letters,
or
so
extra
and
message
code will
along
pick
with
it
the
up.
file, which I did, and we'll
Here
work with
we
that
are
as well.
creating a new opportunity,
This node basically
which will be an
filter the
umbrella
data,
under which
analyze the
we will
data
be
into
saving
three
this node.
variables,
We have
and
created a
check
standalone
if
node
it
and we will
was
connect
a
link and
message, which
opportunity,
it wasn't. It
or
was an
task
audio
and
file,
opportunity.
or more
So that's
specifically
it.
it
Our
was a
workflow
video
is
file
ready to
M4A,
be
but
tested.
that doesn't
I will
matter.
go to my Telegram
Assembly
on
AI
my mobile and upload
converts
a
or
file,
translates
and let's see how
audio
it
and video
works.
file
This is the call recording.
as well. So what it did was the first when we
So
uploaded the
this is
file
the
on
short
Assembly
video of
AI,
me
it
having
gave
a
us
conversation
the
with my
URL.
partner about
We use that
our
URL
company stuffs,
to
and I'll share this
create
audio
summary,
on
and
Telegram,
once
and
the
I'll
summary
select
was
my
ready
channel
after the
IKEA
wait period,
Rushbot, and
we
I'll
fetched the
also add
summary,
a
which
name of the
was
company. Let's
something
say
like
IKEA,
this,
and
right?
send.
And
So this will
if you
take a few
want to
seconds to get
see
uploaded
how
and
exactly the
getting sent
summary
over.
we
I'll just
received,
pause the
it was
video.
something like this. First word hello from speaker A, then again word, second word was from speaker A, then speaker B led that conversation, yes, right? So what I did in the code was I updated it so all the conversation by speaker A comes first, then speaker B conversation, then again speaker A, and so on. It just so it looks like a script on a page, right? This got summarized into a very short message, and we were basically just discussing about the Google Maps, how to get leads from Google Maps in the call, and there we go. So we have filtered it or channelized it into two variables, summary and company name. We'll use this company name to fetch or filter out the company which we are working with, which we want to work with or add notes into. And here is the filter function. We are filtering by the company name, which we just set the variable in the previous node. Finally, we have opportunity in which we will be adding in the script, and finally we will be adding in the company ID as well, right? You can set all the other things as you like. We added the node or the node, and finally we added or saved both of them together using node target. If you don't know how this was done, you can watch the previous video. I've explained in depth. Now let's jump onto the CRM and see if that's worked. So we are here on our CRM. Let's see IKEA agency, and we have the script here. I'm opening the opportunity, and there we go. The script is here, and that's the note. Okay, yeah. Basically, yeah. So basically, it was all here in the opportunity. You can find it here, and in the notes we saved something else, but yeah, that's it. So what we did was we had a conversation with a client, or in my case with my partner, and that call got recorded using the iPhone's call recording feature, which iPhone just got uh, into our iOS 18, right? And it's a very useful feature. If you don't have it, do upgrade to iOS 18 and it will be there on your iPhone. And yeah, so this call recording gets saved in Notes app, and from that Notes app we shared the call recording to Telegram channel. So if you don't know again how to connect your Telegram with Anytime, you can watch our video connecting Telegram IKEA agency. You can find it on YouTube. I'll also try to provide it on the description or the link of that same video. And we have finished the entire loop from Telegram to 20 CRM. Was a little easier. If you have followed all the previous videos, you will be able to do it all by yourself. And we have our call recording directly on our CRM, which literally makes our jobs a lot easier, right? So we can upload all the videos or all the call recordings at once, because the notes will have the heading call with company A, company B, whatever. So in the end, you can just upload the files one after another to Telegram, and this workflow will start running. So that's it. That's how easy it is to connect all the applications and make our process of talking with clients much easier. You can update your prompt again to suit your needs. It will create even specific scripts or the summary of the call, which you can just see here on the dashboard or on the CRM. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed and if you learned something new, do give us a like, do subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are in working on CRM and taking hours just to do this simple task. And see you in the next video. Thank you.